Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss adenoviruses. What are adenoviruses? In this lecture, we will cover the adenoviruses, example of adenoviruses, uses of adenoviruses, properties of adenoviruses, and the use of adenoviruses in genetic engineering. Let's start about the adenoviruses. Actually, their name derives from their initial isolation from human adenites in 1953. Why adenoviruses are called adenoviruses? Because first of all, it was these viruses were isolated from the adenites. Adenites actually they are present in human. Usually, adenites are they in adults they are converted to tonsils. The first virus derived from adenites, so these viruses are known as adenoviruses. Now, the family of the adenoviruses are Adenoviridae and size 90 to 100 nanometer. These viruses are non-enveloped viruses. It means that they are necked viruses and the capsid is icosahedral capsid. They are icosahedral nucleocapsids and the genome of these viruses are double-stranded DNA. Look at this. This is double-stranded DNA genomes. Now, actually, these viruses cause a wide range of illnesses from mild respiratory infection in young children. Such infection, mild infection, are known as common cold and also cause life-threatening multi-organ disease in people with weakened immune system. The best example of human pathogen is mast adenovirus. They cause the human disease. Now we talk at that why we study the adenoviruses because adenoviruses are used in gene therapy and vaccination. Gene therapy is actually the correction of defective gene in the body is called gene therapy. Adenoviruses have long been is a popular viral vector for gene therapy. Why they are using the gene therapy? You should note that due to their ability to affect both replicating and non-replicating cell and in this way accommodate large transgene. Transgene are those genes that are foreign genes and actually these gene code for protein without integrating into the host cell genome. So for this purpose adenoviruses are ideal viruses for using in gene therapy. More specifically, they are used as a vehicle to administer targeted gene therapy in the form of recombinant DNA or protein. What does it mean? It means that they are used to transfer genes from one organism to another organism, and adenoviruses are known as vectors which carry the gene and they are used in the recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA is DNA that is formed by the two different sources. This therapy has been, this gene therapy is useful in treating very monogenic disease, for example, cystic fibrosis disease, X-linked severe combined immune deficiency disease, and cancer. In these diseases, the adenoviruses actually carry the correct gene, and this way they correct the false gene, mean functionless genes. In China, oncolytic adenoviruses is an approved cancer treatment. So these viruses are very useful. Why they are useful? Because they are used in genetic engineering and, and a gene therapy. Beside it, adenoviruses are also used in vaccine Adenoviruses have been used to produce viral vector COVID-19 vaccine. The goal is to genetically express the spike glycoprotein of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 as SARS-CoV-2. A replication deficient champion's adenovirus vaccine vector is used by the Oxford Astrazeneca COVID vaccine that has been approved for use. AstraZeneca vaccine that is used for COVID 19. They are made by the Oxford University, and actually, in this, we use the adenoviruses. Adenoviruses, so the AstraZeneca vaccine contain the actually they use the adenoviruses for the vaccine delivery.